Hi guys, how you guys doing? I'm sorry that I can't be there right now. As you can see, if you guys don't know, I'm in the district office. I'm doing some stuff over there, and I'll probably try to stop by sometime today to see how you guys are doing. Well, just to let you guys know, um, whenever I'm absent, what I'll try to do is try to do YouTube lessons. So it's easier for you guys to get the information that I want you guys to get. It's like me being there without me being there. So anytime I'm absent, I'm gonna try to make some YouTube lessons so you guys can follow so I can also make sure that you guys get the information that needs to be taught. So what you guys are gonna be doing today is taking notes on the piece of paper that the substitute teacher should have been giving you. It's notes that's very similar to what you guys see on this lesson. And I really want you guys to make sure you guys take notes. And tomorrow I'll be checking notes to making sure that you actually did the notes for today. In addition to that, you guys should have checked answers for last night's homework online on Edmodo. But if you have any questions on last night's homework, you guys can ask me tomorrow in class. Again, you can ask me in class tomorrow. All right, guys. So what I'm gonna do right now is get going with the lesson. This is my third video lesson I've done today, and I'm kind of tired of it. So let's get going. So today's lesson is kind of a review of what you guys did last year. This equation of a line. More importantly, I want to talk about the slope-intercept form of the line. So I'm going to go to the next slide. At any time that you think I'm going too quickly, you guys can press pause on YouTube or rewind on YouTube and get the information again. So let's review. Y equals mx plus b. This is the slope-intercept form of the equation of a line. Again, y equals mx plus b is a slope-intercept form of a line. The m stands for the slope, and the b stands for the y-intercept. Okay? So, from this, you guys should remember how to graph a line. For example, y equals 4/3 x minus 2. 4/3 is a slope, and the y-intercept is -2. So to graph this, you guys go to -2 on the y-axis. Then you do a slope of 4/3. Rise over run. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. So draw my point. Make your arrows on your line. That's the line that you should have drawn. Going on to the next one. Y equals -2x plus 1. It has a y-intercept of 1. So you put a point on the y-axis at 1. And the slope is -2. -2 is the same thing as -2/1. Rise over run. So from the y-intercept, you would go down 2. Right 1. Draw your other point. And then, as best as I could, on freehand, that's my line. Okay? So again, you guys should recall how to draw a line. Next, my iPad is free. My lesson is freaking out. So, to continue again, sorry about that. Here it says write an equation in slope-intercept form of the line passing through the given points. Let's see if you guys remember how to do this from last year. You have 2 points, 4 comma negative 3, comma 3 comma negative 6. You have 2 points here. How do you change this so it looks like y equals mx plus b? If you guys don't remember this from last year, the first thing you should do is actually find the slope. That's the number one thing you should always try to do, is find the slope. So let's do that right now. So m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So let's find a slope from these 2 points. That's going to be negative 6 minus negative 3 over 3 minus 4. This simplifies down to negative 3 over negative 1, so the slope is 3. So what I can do now, since I know the slope is 3, in other words, m equals 3, I could plug that back into y equals mx plus b. So y equals 3x plus b. So the last part that I need to find out is b. How can I find b? Well, I have 2 other pieces of information that I can use. I can use any of my 2 points and plug the x-coordinate and the y-coordinates into this problem to help me figure out what b is. I'm going to choose to use the first point, 4 comma negative 3. I'm going to put negative 3 into y and 4 into x. And I'm going to solve for b. That negative 3 equals 12 plus b. Therefore, negative 15 equals b. Now I have everything I need. I have the slope and I have the y-intercept. Therefore, my final answer at the end is going to be y equals 3x minus 15. That's the equation of my line. If you need to rewind, rewind, guys. Or if you need to, pause. Okay. Going on to the next one. Negative 2 comma 5, 4 comma 8. I want to do the same thing I did on a previous problem. So, in order to do that, I'm going to find the slope. M equals 8 minus 5 over 4 minus negative 2. The slope will then be 3 over 6, which simplifies to 1 over 2. I again have my slope. I can plug that into y equals mx plus b. Therefore, I get y equals to 1/2 x plus b. At this point, I can use any point that's given to plug into x and y. I'm going to choose 4 and 8, my second point. So I'll put 8 into y and 4 into x. Okay. Let me simplify. 8 equals 2 plus b. Therefore, 6 equals b. So I have everything I need. I have the slope. I have the y-intercept. My answer for this is eventually going to be y equals 1/2 x plus 6. That's my answer. All right, guys. Let's go to the next one. This is very